finding a routine that fits everyone sometimes can just be impossible, and sometimes you've just got to accept that it, is close to impossible, particularly perhaps if you have very limited support. And we know that one approach does not fit every family, does it? But anybody else have difficulties with bedtime routines? Sophie says, yeah, every night is a nightmare, and because of our autistic son, our other children refuse to go down as well, so no bedtime routine at all. And it does make it tricky, doesn't it? I think one of the most frustrating things I hear sometimes, particularly a lot of parents share this with me, but I know I've heard it as well, is when other parents say, well, have you tried? Or you need to just be firmer with them. Yeah, it makes me giggle now, but it is really tricky, isn't it?